Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair, and here basically we are discussing about the currency system. Basically, in currency system, basically we are discussing about what point basically, that is each and every incidence basically which happens. Here basically we have taken the example of Pune city, Mumbai city, Vadodara city, and basically Dubai city. Sorry, Dubai city. Dubai is also basically city. Sharjah city, Ajman city, Saudi Arab. For example, I will take one example. Assume basically in Dubai, basically uh, Dubai blood cells is there, right? One person basically is having Dubai blood cells. Then basically what happened? The one person basically got the offer letter from Dubai, and he basically went to Dubai, and then basically he basically by chance, due to some reason, basically he got heart attack and he basically died there. Just taking as an example, basically why up to what level the things basically will happen also basically. Then he basically told that basically, yeah, this all basically are a system basically of the energy level and the universal level. Then he told that basically the heart attack basically that person basically got, and that basically person died. Reason basically was, whenever basically he entered into the Dubai, that data basically was captured by the airport basically, and the airport group basically matched the data with the that Dubai blood cells basically, whether the things is going to conflict or basically or not. That was basically getting conflict means very bad level conflict basically going to happen. So they basically that time only basically in airport only basically they taken the decision that that person basically has to die with the help of heart attack, because the blood cells is already generated that he has already entered the Dubai. He has already entered the Dubai. So the airport department basically literally killed that person that moment only. Reason behind basically he came to Dubai basically was he was not getting job in India, and Indian government basically told that basically your blood cells doesn't suits to India blood cells. So they first removed that blood cells, then they shifted that. But if one of the consultant basically told that basically, "Arey yaar, basically he will die in India. Basically unnecessary, we will get the some problem." So he shifted to Dubai to that person. Basically. There basically the airport group basically literally killed. Told that basically he will create the problem in future basically. So please please basically uh, kill basically that person through a heart attack. So they literally taken the decision that time only that he is going to die. So up to what level authority basically the airport people also basically gets. So he basically was he basically got the heart attack in the energy only basically after some days because nobody is supposed to doubt na basically. Otherwise basically if anybody will got the information that airport people basically are killing like this people basically, airport people basically are taking this type of decisions. Sorry, airport software system basically. So like this basically they kill, but it should not be basically like that basically he was basically killed basically by the Dubai government. So that basically they told that basically we will send the heart attack energy after some time basically. So they sent the heart attack energy, and he literally basically died basically. And even basically the Indian government also basically not helped him. Dubai government also told that basically you have to leave. So he basically literally died. Then basically he died with the heart attack basically. Dubai blood cells basically also got affected, and he basically converted into some disease. He converted into some disease, and the disease was this person heart attack. Disease was basically this person heart attack. Then they basically thought that basically why actually he basically not got the job in India, and why basically the Dubai government also basically, because Dubai doctor basically always finds the solution. Now basically it has came to Dubai blood cells. That's why basically the blood cell the doctors basically came into the picture basically. They told that basically why basically the uh, Dubai blood cells basically came into the picture. The reason was this basically. The reason was basically this. So they basically track first. They basically track that the Indian basically government why not helped him, because he was divorced basically. This was just for the simple reason basically they basically has not given the job to, because the girl basically was politically very powerful. So basically like this basically all political people basically become one basically. Even basically the BJP party, Congress party, Samajwadi party, or Aam Aadmi party, all are different basically. All basically keeps on fighting, but in this time basically they all become one basically. Then they basically the Dubai government basically told that basically why you all become one here basically. Then they told that basically there was because this entire thing basically is handled by one of the group basically here, but we never basically become one basically. This was handled by one of the group, admin group basically. That group basically have some personal enemy with that particular boy, so they basically told that we will not allow him to get the job in India basically. So they literally basically fired that particular boy. So basically some consultant basically might have tracked that, and they basically told that basically we here basically he will die, so let's send him to some other country. So they sent to Dubai basically. There also basically this admin department created problem to the airport department, because their system basically were interconnected. Like this basically they basically it's a Dubai government basically. They told that basically his blood cells is going to create lots of problem. When Dubai basically was doing the when in the India basically was doing the checkout basically, that time basically they given some bad energy which is going to affect to Dubai blood cells. And Dubai basically never basically thought that this type of thing basically can be also happen. So like this basically they killed. So this type of thing basically happens. This type of thing basically happens, and this is also basically one of the part of the currencies basically, and this also directly affects to the currencies. Reason, the bad thing was basically happened. Reason was bad thing basically has happened. That's why one person told that basically it's a Kalyug here basically, and the universe group basically told that basically कलयुग के बाद कोई युग नहीं है भाई, कलयुग के बाद कोई भी युग नहीं है. So like this basically the literally basically this was dadagiri. That means poor people basically can't stay in this world. Only basically rich people basically can have their lifestyle. So in next video basically we are going to see that basically how current, and this whole thing basically affects directly the currency basically. And one person told that basically currency basically is connected with the rich people, right, basically. Then they told that basically yes, connected with the rich people basically, but few basically poor people are also basically directly connected with universe also basically. Connected with universe also basically. That you don't forget. And universe basically there is no value of money basically. Within second the entire country will get end also basically. Within second the entire country also basically can end basically. That basically was the word basically. So in next video basically we are going to see about that 10 crore matrix basically which is placed in the India country, and 3 lakh matrix basically 3 crore matrix which is in USA, which is mapped by set of countries. That basically will be the next topic.